recently wondered why is the best strategy for beginners in 2024, and I think I have found the answer. Friends, here Cami is with you, and today I will tell you in detail and show you how the best strategy for beginners in 2024 works. With the help, I earned $700 in just 3 minutes. Would you like to do the same? Then stay with me. Friends, if you are looking for information about trading for beginners and not only, then you should contact me in the Telegram channel. Trading bonuses, working strategies and signals and much more are waiting for you in my channel. See you there. The best strategy in 2024 is based on 2 indicators, ZIG ZAG and CCI. With their help, you'll be able to correctly analyze the chart and open profitable trades. And it works like this. When the yellow indicator line crosses the 100 mark and moves up along the accompanying line, we open a deal to increase. If the line goes below the 100 mark and moves down, then we open a trade for a decrease. I will show you in more detail with an example. Before starting transactions, you need to set the necessary settings. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frames for 30 minutes, then turn on 2 indicators, CCI and ZIG ZAG. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the CAD GPY currency pair. The transaction time is 30 seconds, and now let's move on to transactions. I will start today with an amount of $100, analyzing the chart and opening a deal for an increase. As I see a pullback of the bearish candle and the beginning of an uptrend. The first transaction is completed and on my balance grows to $192. Let's move on. So I'm opening a second raise deal for the entire balance. Since I see that the upward pullback is starting again, the indicator lines are moving smoothly towards the 100 mark. These are our signals to increase. While the transaction is being completed, I want to advise you on a reliable and the best broker in the world of trading, Pocket Option. This is where I found transparent transaction, quick withdrawals and big profits. Go to my Telegram channel for the link and bonuses for trading here. I'm waiting for everyone. The transaction was completed successfully, which means that my balance is growing, and at the moment it is already $368. That's really cool. The last transaction will take place in another currency pair, namely Euro and ZD. On the chart, I see a bearish candle starting. The indicator lines tend to go up and move lower values. I'm opening a short trade and waiting for a profit. Wow, $707 on my balance. Can you believe it? I can, because I see it all in reality. And I have a lot of such results, and I know you want the same. So then just like this video and wait for my new strategies. Before saying goodbye, I will ask you to follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. There I communicate with my subscribers every day and also help them earn $1,000, share strategies and signals for trading. Join us soon. And keep Cami was with you, so see you soon. Bye bye.